Hey guys, can we put an egg inside a flask? Let's find out. Nah, maybe not like this. Here we have a horn shark egg. Yeah, don't ask why it's pink. And over here, a sea snail egg, because of course it's blue. Nature said go full pastel. Let's start with the pink one. Poke a hole in it. And whoosh! Watch how the egg gets sucked right into the flask like it's escaping a 9 a.m. lecture. That egg got emptied out faster than your brain during finals. Now, it's the blue one's turn, but with a twist.
No, no, no!
Because what's science without a little fire and chaos? This time, we're adding a burning paper to the flask first. But hold up, this yolk seems to think it's paying rent. It's not coming out that easy. Let's give it more fire, more. The heat from the burning paper decreases air pressure inside the flask, so the higher outside pressure pushes the egg in like a vacuum-powered omelet launcher. There we go. Even eggs can't resist pressure when the heat is on. Eventually, we rip it apart to get that yolk, like cracking open an emotional shell after 3 group projects. Meet you in the next video.